And this form of meditation leads us immediately into the subject for today, which is what we do with the organism and its programs. Do we control it? Do we let it be? When control stops? When it starts? In non-duality, quite often we are encouraged to let go and do not control. Right? So it's quite a paradoxical thing, in fact, because on one hand, we know that what is optimized. What does it mean that it's optimized? It means that what is the perfect situation that helps the most each and all of the organisms, the mind-body organisms in the universe to evolve, to grow. So the idea of interfering is, on the other hand, coming away from the optimum. From a spiritual perspective, you may remember when you were into the spiritual path, right? You were dividing between positive and negative, and then we all need to move to the positive, right? But on the other hand, you may have, in fact, noticed that what seems to be negative eventually was turning into the most valuable experiences. So we were avoiding the negative, but at the same time, we were seeing that the time that we grew the most was when we were going through something difficult, that the mind was considering negative, but in reality it was a challenge for us to overcome and to grow in the process. So this division between positive and negative is artificial, meaning that is a division that is created by the mind. But what seems negative many times is the best. And we have seen that so many times in our own experience, right? So, at least here there is kind of the conclusions through the years that the equation between negative and positive is optimized by the cosmic intelligence for the sake of progress, for the so-called souls or mind-body organisms with their subtle bodies.